Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 16th of August. And first of all, national news. Karnataka banned gatherings in Shivmoga after clash over Savarkar poster. Soldier's body found 38 years after he went missing in Siachen. Omicron specific vaccine for India coming up. Adar Punewala to NDTV. India enjoyed considerable prestige globally. Vladimir Putin on Independence Day. India delivered Dornier maritime surveillance aircraft to Sri Lanka. India's next Chief Justice Uday Umesh Lalit explained his agenda for 74-day term. Criticized judgment, not the judge. India's new Chief Justice to NDTV. And now some international news. Russia is ready to arm its allies with modern weapons, Vladimir Putin. UK approved an updated Moderna vaccine which targets Omicron variant. Prince Harry and his wife Meghan Markle will visit Britain and Germany in the first week of September as part of their work with charities. China staged fresh military drills around Taiwan as US lawmakers visit. Philippines dropped Russia deal in talks to buy US helicopters and Vuset. Now some sports news. Netherlands versus Pakistan first one-day international match will be played on Tuesday, August 16. Rafael Nadal missing from Spain's Davis Cup squad, Alexander Zverev to play for Germany. AIFF, All India Football Federation's imbroglio, FIFA firm on eminent players stand. Ministry responds to Committee of Administrators. And now news related to business. Asian shared edge higher, but wary of Fed words. Indian markets closed. Har Ghar Tiranga campaign drove unprecedented demand for national flags. Oil prices eased to below $98 a barrel, extend losses on supply boost news. PM Modi said 5G mobile services to start soon for New India. Over 79 lakh children enrolled under Bal Aadhaar initiative during April to July. Loans to get costlier. SBI raised benchmark lending rates by up to 0.5%. First meeting of Minimum Support Price Committee likely on August 22. And now let's have a look on weather. On 16th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 31 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 26 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.